How to block a payment on Monese. Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to block a payment on Monese. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of security when it comes to your finances. Monese is a great app, but it's important to be aware of the risks associated with using it. One of the risks is that your account could be hacked. If this happens, the hacker could use your account to make unauthorized payments. That's why it's important to know how to block a payment on Monese. If you notice any unauthorized activity on your account, you can block the payment to prevent the hacker from getting your money. How to block a payment on Monese. There are two ways to block a payment on Monese. Block the payment in the app. To block a payment in the app, open the Monese app and go to the Transactions tab. Find the payment that you want to block and tap on it. Then, tap on the Block button. Block the payment online. To block a payment online, go to the Monese website and log into your account. Then, go to the Transactions tab. Find the payment that you want to block and click on it. Then, click on the Block button. Once you have blocked a payment, you will receive a notification from Monese confirming that the payment has been blocked. Tips for preventing unauthorized payments. In addition to blocking payments, there are a few other things you can do to help prevent unauthorized payments. Use a strong password. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring you to enter a code from your phone to or another device when you log in. 1. www.computerabilities.com. www.computerabilities.com. 2. Promivo.com. Promivo.com. Be careful about clicking on links or downloading attachments from suspicious emails. Monitor your account activity regularly. If you notice any unauthorized activity on your account, report it to Monese immediately. Blocking a payment on Monese is easy to do. If you notice any unauthorized activity on your account, you can block the payment to prevent the hacker from getting your money. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.